Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, I have my mum here and we're going to be doing a Mother's Day makeup in celebration of Mother's Day because quite frankly, Mum, your makeup is really out of date. And we were just having this discussion that eyeliner isn't her best friend. You have very small eyes as well, which is...
That's why I put eyeliner so I can...
No, you need I think you need to up waterline here. Okay. Anyway, we're going to do her makeup. I feel like her eyes are too small. She just puts black eyeliner on with no mascara, which is like a sin, and no lipstick. But so yeah, we're going to do her makeup and hopefully she will learn a few things and hopefully some mothers out there will learn some stuff. Princey is just there. He will not like leave us alone. Mum, you can say hi as well, you know.
Hi.
She's so like, you gotta get used to this.
I'm not really chatty, but
okay, just pretend the camera's not here. What kind of makeup look do you want, Mum?
Oh,
she likes it quite
subtle. Nothing
subtle. So she likes it quite subtle. She doesn't wear a ton of makeup. We might do like a really soft, like goldeny makeup, which I think works for any age group. You happy with that?
Yeah.
A nice golden bronze daytime look. So we've already done her base. So to prep her skin, we have used the MET serum, the soft fluid long wear foundation, and this is in the shade Blush 31. Also, I want to apologise if you can hear Prince snoring in the background of this video. And then we've just set a little bit with, I've actually lost the lid of this, but it's somewhere. And this is the Bare Minerals medium beige, I think powder foundation, just a little bit for the under eye.
Yeah, I have had that one and I don't use it.
Yeah, so, oh, and we've also used a tiny bit of concealer and we've used the Erase Paste from Benefit. So let's get into this makeup tutorial. So that is it, guys. I hope you like this tutorial. This is the first time you do it, Mum.
I'm scared of myself. Who's that lady? I keep looking at you instead.
You're just there.
Okay, can you behave now?
Be natural. Oh my god.
Okay.
I'm wearing my makeup now. Okay.
Okay.
Just be natural.
Okay. Oh, yeah.
She's never had her makeup done before, so she doesn't know who she is.
It's my first time.
And also she wears glasses, so she
Okay.
I will list down below the products that I use, but are you happy with it?
I am happy.
Good. Okay, I'm gonna wrap that up because
Actually, I am really happy because
it's good.
I think I need to.
You need to
wear
look how
makeup.
nice it, and that highlight.
Okay.
She's got that chiseled highlight look, Mum, to the side.
Yeah.
Look at that highlight, guys.
My face is not square.
No, and contouring. She's never done contouring ever. So, yeah, that is a wrap. We've got to take a picture for this.
This is your job from now on.
Doing your makeup. I think I've got a new job, like just doing people's makeup. I should be a makeup artist, I don't know why. So that's it. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe. Mum, tell my subscribers to subscribe.
Subscribe, please.
No.
What should I say?
Just
okay, I'll keep quiet.
So if you want to see more videos of my mum, then give this video a thumbs up, and we'll probably do like a nighttime look. So that's it. Thank you so much, guys.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.